Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today, judging by the title, you already know, I'm just gonna show a few quick and easy hairstyles to do for type 4C hair, no gel included. So for the first style, let me just take off my bonnet. So with my hair, I already combed it, parted it, everything. But for the first style, this is what I like to use quite a lot. Is literally just two puffs, two buns, you know? There's two, see? And then, yeah, so I like to keep these two twists at the front here. Another thing that you might like is literally just undo them. For this look. Another thing you may like to do is, now that we've taken out the twists, literally just comb them out. Yeah, now that it's all combed out, you want to get your straightener. Yeah, so at this point, you have one of three options. Either leave it straight, like this is quite nice. Literally just straighten it, or you can curl it with the straightener. This is another look that I like to do sometimes, but during the day and with the wind and stuff, it never seems to last. The last thing that I like to do is I like to use the pencil method when curling my hair. And the pencil method, I don't actually have a pencil right now, so I'm just gonna use literally just a pencil brush, but you can use a pencil, a paintbrush, anything really, anything small, and just wrap it around like how I'm doing right now. Get your straighteners and see what I'm doing. I'm literally just pressing it on my hair and going down, making sure every section of hair is getting pressed. And you want to do that for a couple of seconds or so, or at least till your arm gets tired. Put that down, push it through, hold it. Yeah, and that's literally it. So quick and easy. You can tell the difference. But yeah, this is something that I personally do. I like using this method. See? It's really nice, really quick and simple, and that's that. Now, and for another hairstyle, you're gonna need yourself one of these. If you know, you know. Take out your hairbands. Now this hairstyle is one of the OGs, just the poof. It's really quick and simple, nothing you don't really have to do much. You have the choice of leaving the 2 strands at the front, or if you want to do, you can just pull it back like that. But me personally, I'll keep it in the front. Okay, for this hairstyle, what you want to do is literally section your hair off, but from the middle across. So literally go like that. And then with this, you can either keep it how as is, but I wouldn't. Like in, twist. And there you have it. This one's quite cute. I mean, yeah, quite a summery look. So for the last hairstyle, you literally just want to plait your hair from the top all the way to about here-ish, like so. As you can see, I've plaited it down on both sides. I just twisted the 2 strands at the front and I left the poof at the back. This is one of my main go-to hairstyles. This is something I like to do regularly, as well as the first hairstyle. But yeah, that was it. Those are a few quick and easy hairstyles I like to do. So that's everything I have for today. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like it, subscribe, maybe give it a like. My Instagram will be down at the bottom. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.